Hello guys, welcome back once again. So this is a requested detailed video of the $2 bond straight hair. So I had some expressional, you can use ultra braiding hair. I cut that out and stretched out the hair like this. So after I crocheted the braiding hair into the dome mesh cap with my crochet pin like this. So you pin in the crochet pin into the dome mesh cap, then with the tip of it you hold onto the braiding hair into it, then you push it through as you see me doing, then you tie it at the end like this. So this was how I made it. So please bear in mind you don't pack too much hair at the back of your dome mesh braiding cap when doing your wig like this. So you can see on top of it you crochet it closer so that you manage using the braiding hair. So you could see how I packed the braiding hair on top when crocheting onto the wig cap. So with a guided line that I drew on it, I'm going to use that as a guide in crocheting the hairs onto the wig cap. To manage my braiding hair, I cut out some short hairs and I used that for the fringe style in front of the bob wig or in front of my bone straight hair. So as you see me doing with a guiding line, as I said earlier on, that helped me in getting the correct fringe that I want. So please keep watching and please follow me and let me know your thoughts and comments or ideas and contribution on this video.
I'm not a saint, you mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad.
So from here I'm done with the fringe style I want. So I'm going to crochet round the guiding line that I choose.
I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep walking. Spit your words on someone else, don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry.
You could see how I packed more braiding hair on top of the hair so that no one will see under the dome mesh cap. Please do yours this way. Try this. You can even try it with your old braiding hair to see how nice your outcome will be. So from here I lined up some braiding hair onto a thread as you see me doing to create that weave-on style that I wanted. Then I'll sew it on top of the dome mesh cap to seal or close the spaces in the dome mesh cap. This is a slow method on how I lined up the braiding hair onto the thread. After I got the desired amount that I wanted, I cut that out, pulled them closer and tied the end of it to make it very tight. Yes, so as you see me doing, I'm going to iron the edges. Yes, the very close edges where I tied the knot of the braiding hair. I'll iron it to make it flat and to melt out every hair that is excess on it. And this is to make the weave-on more like how it's being sewed. Yeah, so you can see me ironing this just to flatten the edges and to melt out every excess hair. So from here I'm going to sew down the ribbon that I made onto the dome mesh cap, as I said earlier, to close the spaces in it so that you won't see that this is a handmade wig. I hope you love this, guys. Please don't forget to like and follow me for more. Let me know your comments, your thoughts, ideas and contribution as said earlier on. So this is how I sewed this. I pushed in the pin through the tip of the ribbon. So this is a close method of how I ended my sewing of the handmade ribbon. This is so simple and easy to make. Just try this and you will love it.
I'm not a saint, you mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad. I don't give a you stepping on me and that got my mama touch you better than that. You're mad, I guess you're mad. Wore my best pajama for this drama. Why you talking like that, like that, like that? I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep walking. Spit your words on someone else, don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that, you're drowning with
After sewing this, I placed some hot water in a bucket, added some conditioner and some leave-in conditioner just to soften and make my hair very soft, silky and shiny. So after I place that down for it to dry naturally, please don't blow dry it. So as it dried up, I cut out the desired bang that I wanted in front, and with the help of my flat iron or my straightener, I went ahead and I straightened this hair and it came out so nice. So I used a low heat. Please don't use very high heat. I used a low heat in achieving this and it came out so nice. Don't you love it? Just try this. You can do this and sell as your business. Thanks for watching, and please like this video and follow for more. Let me know your thoughts and comment on this. Thanks and bye-bye.